Welcome, YouTube. It's Flexibility Fridays. Let's get started. All right, in this episode of our Flexibility Fridays, we're going to concentrate really on the neck and the shoulders. One of the things that happens more often than I'd like to admit is that when I was younger, I could fall out of a tree and get up and continue on my way. Now, if I sleep on my pillow the wrong direction, the next morning my neck really hurts, and I found that a lot of the clients that I work with have the same issue. So what we're going to do is what I like to do at the beginning of every one of my cardio classes is we're going to work the range of motion of the neck and shoulders. Now, as we go along, make sure you never push past the point of discomfort. For most people, you will have a different range of motion than I do. So once again, only go as far as the body will allow you to go. When you hit that point of discomfort, go no further. With that being said, let's get started. All right, here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our shoulders and we're going to think about going up towards the ceiling. So we're going to go shrug and lower, shrug and lower. Third time, last time. Now this time I want you to shrug. I want you to tense your shoulders, tense your neck, hold it, and release. Now we're going to go forward and back again. Repeat. So we're really contracting them in and squeezing our shoulder blades back. 4, front. 3, front. 2, front. And 1. Now we're going to put those two together. We're going to go front, roll back, front, roll back. 3, roll back, and 4. All right, let's reverse that. Take it to the back. Lift up and over. This is the same action as putting on your coat. All right, now just roll out, alternate. Loosen up the back just a little bit across the shoulder blades. All right, now we're going to start right in the center. I want you to think about your chin. We're going to go from side to center, from side to center. Side, center, that's it. 4, 3, 2, same action as looking down the road. 1. Let's take it to the ceiling. We're going to go up, bring it back to neutral. We're going to go down, chin to chest. Let's do that again. We're going to go up to the ceiling, bring it back to neutral, chin to the chest. Third time, we're going to go up and down. Last time, up, center, down. Now I had mentioned talking about the chin. I want you to think about the chin tilting from one side, up, tilt it to the other side, and up. Tilt, top, tilt, top, tilt, top. All right. Now we're going to go chin to chest. Take the ear to the shoulder, around the back, ear to the shoulder, chin to the chest. Let's do that one more time. Up, around, down. Reverse. We go ear, up, ear, down, ear, up, over the shoulders, down. Bring it up to neutral. All right, here we go. Lightning round, starting with the shrugs. We go shrug, down, shrug, shrug, squeeze, down, bring it front, back, third time, last time. Now we're going to go up and over. Last one, let's reverse course. We go back to the front. 3, 2, 1, look side, to side. Look side to side. Take it up. We go up to down, up to down. Give me ear to ear, ear to ear. Roll it one way, roll it the other way. That is your first episode of Flexibility Fridays. So if you notice, we did this to one song. It doesn't matter what song that you put on. The idea is that the song should be about 3 minutes or so, sometimes a little bit shorter, sometimes a little bit longer, but it is one of the greatest ways to time how long you've been doing a stretch. You put on one song, as soon as the song is over, you're done for the day and you can move on. With that being said, as a reminder, once again, if you're feeling any discomfort while doing these exercises, then I recommend that you stop. See a physician, check out to make sure that there isn't something serious going on. Also, as you start to do this, you will find that your range of motion increases. At the very beginning, you may feel stiff and not able to go very far. That is quite all right. Our goal is not to push it right away. It is to very gently acclimate the body to this new range of motion. With that being said, thank you again for joining me on Flexibility Friday. Till next time. Hey YouTube, thank you very much for joining me for another one of these episodes. Now, if you got something beneficial out of this, I want to make sure that we can share it with the world. So you could do 3 things that will help me get that message out. First thing, share this video with anybody that you think might actually benefit from it. The second one is just take a moment to hit that like button down below. And last but not least, leave a comment below. Did this help you out? Are you having a little bit of trouble? I try to respond to all the comments down below, usually within the first week of the clip being dropped. So with that being said, thank you once again, and we'll see you next time.